Looking for a midsize sedan that delivers comfort, performance, and everyday practicality? The 2025 Honda Accord might just be the perfect choice. But what's new this year, and is it still the king of its class? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know. The Honda Accord has been a favorite for decades, known for its smooth ride, spacious cabin, and unbeatable reliability. The 2025 model keeps that legacy alive, but adds some exciting upgrades. Whether you're a family driver, a daily commuter, or just someone who values a dependable car, the Accord is worth a closer look. What's new for 2025? New SE trim replaces the outgoing model, adding sporty black accents like window trim, 17-inch black wheels, and black mirror caps. Interior upgrades: 10-way power adjustable driver's seat, dual-zone climate control and heated front seats, standard rear AC vents and USB-C ports. Finally, hybrid models get a 15-watt wireless charger. Touring trim now includes a heated steering wheel. Performance and powertrains. Gasoline model: 1.5-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder, 192 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.3 seconds. Hybrid model: 2.0-litre 4-cylinder plus dual electric motors, 204 horsepower total, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.7 seconds, quicker than the gas version. Fuel efficiency: one of the Accord's biggest strengths. Expect great MPG, especially from the hybrid. The 2025 Honda Accord keeps its crown as one of the best midsize sedans on the market. With a refined design, strong hybrid performance, and practical upgrades, it's a solid pick for almost anyone. But should you choose it over rivals like the Toyota Camry or Hyundai Sonata? Let us know your thoughts below.